Welcome back to Japan, welcome back to the channel. Saturday, sun is shining, you hear cars rolling in, it's Cars and Coffee. At a stop, get a Monster, so today is Cars and Monster for me. But there's some really cool stuff, check it out. Pretty good way to start the day off. R34 GTR V-Spec 2. You cost too much money. Oh, he's gonna park next to me. Oh no, he's not. Oh, I got excited. Let's go check this car out real fast. See aftermarket exhaust. See a rear diffuser. Volk wheels. Sugoi! Hey, I know you. Love his sword. GC8. It's a big old wing. Man, this thing is super clean. Very nice. You want to trade? Want to trade?
No.
I don't blame you. Carbon fiber B-pillar, Nismo. Oh, look at the carbon fiber around the MFD there. Oh man, it's beautiful. Carbon fiber accent on the blade. There's your exhaust there, carbon fiber diffuser. It's a lot of money in this car, man. Loving this JZX 100 right here though. This color, really unique. Got the black wheels, nice big front mount, aftermarket steering wheel inside. That's a good looking car. Check out this pearl here. Hope the camera's picking that up. It's really nice. Rocking the pink wheels. Man, let me get in front of this car. Nice clean headlights, big front mount. That paint is crazy. Some British racing seats inside. And I believe she just got this painted. Last time I saw it was black. It's pretty. I saw her driving, I was like, I'll give her a thumbs up. Staggered wheels. She's got, I don't know if you can see in there, but she has hard brake lights. That pink is bright. Wow. I just said how it's not hot out here, and now it's super hot. The boost is, I like this. It's loud. Look at the angle on that front wheel. Absolutely just like love those gold wheels though. Definitely a car built for a purpose here.
What's up, big man?
What's up, dude? But check out the boosted Swift. Sitting on the black wheels. Can't miss this car. I see this car all the time. It's so cool because I kind of want one. I think it'd be a blast to drive this like up in the mountains, or if we make it to a mainland and get on a small track with it. My buddy Kyle said they actually have a bad habit of flipping over though, so I have to watch out for that. FDRX7 in silver. HKS blow off valve. Got the pulley kit on there. Nice big fat. Ooh, upgraded turbo. This car's pretty quick actually. Love me some FDRX7s. See gauges on the B pillar. Or, I'm sorry, gauges on the A pillar. Momo wheel. RX-7s are so cool. I was just talking to this guy. TRD Soarer. Jesus Christ. TRD JZX 100 Chaser. I'm a huge fan of the green. It's a brilliant color, but he said he doesn't like green cars and seemed a little saddened by it. Nice Momo wheel. Double din. Got the duck bill on here. Got the BBS LMs. It's a really clean car. What? I want one of these made. It's pretty cool. aftermarket headlights, the LEDs, the blue JZX 100. Nice big front mount, aggressive wheel setup. I saw this car leaving base the other day, leaving Cadena. Gave him a thumbs up, got a little TikTok of it. Beautiful color. Really, really nice. Really nice. Got the blue Mark IV. A few Supers came out today. Basically stock. If you want to follow them on Instagram, there you go. We got Austin's. You've seen this car a million times. I still think it's beautiful. He just actually received his turbo manifold and I believe his big fat turbo for this. So this car will be making a lot more horsepower here shortly. He's waiting on some more stuff to come in. The Stagger T37 SLs on there. I think he said these are 18 by 10.5. He's got rocking 285s on it. Got the Tomei titanium exhaust. Oh wait, I think is that the Tomei? Yeah, it is. Extreme. Oh, there's Kyle. It's 500 horsepower Altezza. Hardtop Miata. And we have Aura Supra. Big old wheels.
Hey,
What's up, dude?
where's Atkinson? I need coolant.
Oh man, we got Babs's
Yes, I'm coming, Devil.
1JZ Soarer. Staggered wheels. Look at these. Look at these wheels. What? Man, he drives the crap out of this car. Check out the carbon fiber duckbill. I want a Soarer so bad. I think it sounds really good. Got all the stickers, carbon fiber B-pillar and rain guards, carbon fiber hood. Then we got the GCA gang out here. White and purple STI seats. White interior. Another white one. Some white wheels. The white and white looks pretty clean. Aftermarket or STI seats as well. White on gold. Aftermarket seats. Bunch of gauges. Aftermarket steering wheel. Nice big, looks like it's straight pipe, I think. S14. I didn't forget the front end. I think this is a Zinky. This thing is seen some track time, it looks like. Can't leave out the van. Pop the hood. Give us a shot of the VQ35. Same engine that comes in the Fairlady Z's and the 350Z. Comes Dismo. What's up, dude? The color is brilliant. God, that car's loud. Woo! See Fiero? I'm so confused. The Mazda gang over here, the FDRX7 and the Miata, both on Inkies. One of the most classic wheels ever made. I like the stagger setup on the FD though. Looks really aggressive, nice fitment back there. Good work, dude. Got the GT86 in charcoal. So I'm recording on my phone real fast because I already put the camera up, but check this out. It's a GT86, right? Not a BRC? Or did we badge? Okay. So I walked by it earlier. Hood was down, but check out, it's boosted. Look at the supercharger. It's a Cusco? What? I'm sure this thing is pretty quick now because they're pretty light. So
I've never drove a stock 86, so I can't tell the difference. I don't know. I mean, it beats a K car, so.
Oh, I'm sure.
that's all that matters.
But that is so cool, man. I've never seen that before. That's a really cool. Blob Eye STI. These cars are growing on me, man. I want one. I kind of want a Bug Eye too. I want them all, man. Another GC8. Got the GF8. The wagon. I think it's the STI because you got both wings. Yeah, it's an STI. Aftermarket exhaust. Blue GC8, aftermarket headlights, white wheels, big old wing, carbon fiber hood, scoop, and vents. Looking pretty good. I love this feature though. Let all that air in. Big carbon fiber blade. Voltex blade. That thing is probably pretty expensive. Then we have the dark blue GC8, the red brids inside, big fog lights.
Oh yeah!
I like that steering wheel though. OEM Plus, right? I'm assuming that's from a newer STI. Aftermarket gauges.
Did you see Mike's freaking little car money?
The white STI and gold wheels, another one. STI seats, obviously it's an STI, so it gets those. White face gauges. Yo, the Mini Cooper. That's awesome. Check out this gigantic turbo. Not playing. Got the rack on top. Oh, that's cool. A little satchel in the back for your important documents. What's going on? Is this yours?
Yeah.
That's awesome. That came out of the city, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So if you guys don't know, this is a Honda Moto Compo. They come in the back of a Honda City in the late 80s. Really cool. You got the RSR sticker on the mud flap. Super rare. You don't see these for sale ever. So the fact that he got one is pretty wild. Like the livery. Cool, man. The black JZX 100, staggered wheel setup, big front mount. You got a Recaro seat on the driver's side and a Brid seat on the passenger. Momo steering wheel, some gauges, like Defi gauges. Got the fuzzy dice, a must-have. Clean car, dude. What is this? Huh? No. What? Is that a little 3-cylinder from back in the day? Yeah. Look at the size of the license plate. I mean, it's tiny.
It shrank.
So this is all. What is the car called?
It's Subaru R2.
Subaru R2, 3-cylinder.
Yeah, 360cc.
360 cc. That's wild.
Got 600 horsepower.
Yeah. Minus 580.
She's got big dreams.
That's awesome. It's super cool. I've seen them online and stuff. I've never actually seen one in real life. Look at the pencil hook. That's funny. That's awesome. Check out the S15 Silvia, blue with the lime green wheels. He just got this hood. Said he waited a long time for it to get in. It looks fantastic on there. Carbon fiber lip. Man, that's nice. All right, so the Subi gang officially has arrived. You guys have seen this STI hatchback before. Carbon fiber lip, beautiful Advan wheels, carbon fiber wing, really rare. I love the wiper delete though. Man, this thing is sick. But look at all the Subarus that showed up. White GC8 on the Inkies, the gray GC8, white wheels. Ooh, I'm digging the white and black with the red wheels though. Look at these Work CR Kais in red. Looks really good. I like carbon fiber scoop. Yeah, look at that. Look at that. Color is gorgeous. Nice big front mount. The white GC8, the black housing headlights, black wheels, the spikes. And Kyle's GF8, the patina, the Ricer patina, the Fozzy, bronze CR Kais, really good looking car, or truck, SUV, something. Eric's. Oh, I just love this thing so much. If you guys haven't seen this video of this car, I got to drive it. It was a blast. I want one. He said I can have it, so I'll have 2 cars now. What's up, dude? 3 more Fozzies in a row. 2 of these are blue. Oh my goodness. You got the T37 SLs on there, the BBS wheels, the carbon scoop. That's nice. I like the aftermarket grille too. You got the Champagne STI, the carbon scoop as well. Volk wheels. in bronze. These things are so cool. So cool. Oh, another. I think he's my neighbor. Oh, that's fine. I think that guy's my neighbor. I should have saw him out there. Oh. Mark II on the Works Easts. I saw him at Family Mart actually. Super cool guy. Let me take pictures of his car. Got the blue STI carbon fiber scoop. Aftermarket blade. Diffuser. Man, there's so many cars. Oh my goodness. Can't leave out the Suzuki Alto. Got the bridge seat in the driver's seat. Got the Recaro in the passenger. Momo wheel. I think this is the Nürburgring edition. I think this is like, that's so cool, man. More GC8s. Hear that clutch rattling? Ooh, that thing sounds pretty good. See Gio's car. Some exhaust clips here. Tomei. That thing sounds good. Sounds good, Gio. Got the Fairlady Z, rocking the field side wide body. Crazy staggered wheels. Every time I see this car, I get excited. Super rare. I love that. The black paint with the metallic flake in it. Oh, the Terreno. Oh, I'm sorry, the 11. Ooh, look at this S15. Oh, it's a Varietta. Oh, my bad. Don't die. That S15, that color is gorgeous. Looks like Le Mans Sunset. I'm not exactly sure what it is. That is phenomenal. What's up?
What's up, man?
I will drive. Oh man, that's so cool. Oh, he's on bags. That makes a lot more sense now. I was wondering why it's always so low. Wow, here's that 11. Pretty cool. You don't see many of these. God, that color. I just can't get over that color. Wow. Got the Aristo gang. Stagger. Look at the stagger wheels and look at this rear lip. Man. God, that's gorgeous. I love these cars. Another Aristo, some Meisters. Another Aristo, another staggered lip, or staggered wheel setup. Nice rear lip. Subi slammed. Got another Aristo on BBSs. Man, ooh, look at the trunk setup. All the audiophiles probably like that. That's pretty dope. Woo. JZX90 Chaser, also staggered wheels. Celica GT4, red on white, 1552 wheels. Another GT4, looks really good in white actually. Got the Evo 6. Oh, I love that car. 180SX, R34 GTT sedan. Keep the license plate in the front mount. Another Swift. Some Miatas. Miata's coming out in droves today. What's up, dude? How's it going? Yo, what's up?
What's up, man?
Chilling, just dying. It's super hot out here. Check out this Swift though. Aftermarket wheels, like looking really good. Nice color combo. Man, I want one. Got the Evo 4. Part next to, guess what? Another Evo 4. And another Evo 4. They're everywhere out here. The Honda Civic that's been lifted apparently. Ooh, look at this S2000. It's like, that's so clean. Ah! Yeah, hood. I want one of these, man. Color looks good. Look how low it is. I think a nice carbon fiber lip would really set that off, huh? Got the carbon fiber mirrors. Stagger wheels. Got 180SX pulling in as well. Super clean, dude. Celica decided to come out and hang out. And this car is beautiful. That's so nice. Oh, GT2000, that's awesome. Really cool. Godzilla himself, R32 GTR. He said, I don't need any pod filters. Oh man. This is Tim's car again. You get to see it in the daylight. All the carbon fiber pieces. Let me go to the other side so you can actually appreciate it. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, so much carbon. Everywhere you look. You got the crown, the big front mount, the 1JZ. Unique color. I bet the thing's comfortable. David's FDRX7. Might feature this car actually. Integris Hyper DC2. Completely gutted. Thinking this thing's probably spent some time in the mountains. Got the Mark III Supra. Really clean. Really, really clean. Don't see enough of these. Interior is beautiful. Momo wheel. And that's about it on the inside. That's super clean. S15 Silvia Spec S. ABS wheels on it. Got the S13 Silvia. Two-tone, the seafoam in gray. Probably the most JDM color scheme. Like, that's what I think of when I think of like a S13 Silvia, is this color scheme right here. Man, that's pretty awesome. Roll cage. Dude's getting some pictures, some really nice cars. A couple of Teslas over here. Oh yeah. Getting more excited about my IS300 build, guys. Two Fairlady Z33s over here. Check out the R33 GTS-T sedan. Really clean. That is in great shape. Really great pickup. Whoever's car this is, man, good job. Super clean. What's up, dude? Aston Martin. Okay, so I'm just casually walk by this R30 Skyline. What's wrong with me? Man, that is badass. Whew, that's so cool. Woo. What's up, Justin?
What up?
Man, that car needs a feature as well. All right, guys, that's gonna wrap up the video. Freaking hot out here. I hope you enjoyed it. Some really cool cars. Let me know which one in your comment was the favorite. Like, comment as always. I'll see you next time.